Hello everyone and welcome back to Wildlife Wisdom. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of dolphins, those intelligent and playful creatures that we love. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our wildlife adventures. Now let's get started. Dolphins are known for their incredible intelligence, social behaviors, and acrobatic displays. But did you know that there are over 40 different species of dolphins? From the common bottlenose dolphin to the elusive spinner dolphin. Each species has a unique trait. Let's kick off our dolphin exploration by diving into the basics. Dolphins belong to the cetacean family, which also includes whales and porpoises. With over 40 different species, they can vary in size, color, and habitat. The most well-known species is the common bottlenose dolphin, often featured in marine parks and documentaries. These incredible marine animals are found in oceans and seas worldwide, showcasing their adaptability to various environments. Dolphins are mammals just like us, which means they give birth to live young and nurse them from milk. Remarkably, their intelligence is on par with the great apes, making them exceptional creatures to study and admire. It is believed by scientists that comparing the size of the brain to body, dolphins take second place right after us humans. Being that there are so many different types of dolphins, the majority of them spend their lives in saltwater, but many can survive in freshwater just fine. The smallest of their kind is around 3 to 4 feet, while the largest can reach up to 30 feet in length. Now let's take a closer look at the incredible anatomy that makes dolphins perfectly suited for life in the water. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails allow them to move effortlessly through the ocean. Dolphins have pectoral fins on their sides, which provide stability and help with steering. The dorsal fin, that distinctive feature protruding from their back, assists with maintaining balance. Each tail fin is called a fluke, and that is used for movement and communications. The veins in the fins and flukes help conserve body heat in cold water. One fascinating aspect of a dolphin's anatomy is their blowhole, located at the top of their heads. This is a specialized nostril adapted for breathing. Unlike fish, dolphins are mammals and need to come to the surface to breathe air. Their skin is another marvel, known for its smoothness. The skin has no sweat glands or hair, and the outer layer of the epidermis is about 15 to 20 times thicker than the epidermis of humans. Dolphin skin constantly flakes and peels as new skin replaces old skin cells. Another interesting fact of a dolphin's anatomy is that dolphins have 2 stomachs. One is used for storage, and the other is where they digest their food. This seems to help these sea mammals cart around approximately 33 pounds of fish per day. Now let's talk about how dolphins locate their prey and communicate. Communication is key in the dolphin world. Dolphins use a complex system of clicks, whistles, and body language to communicate with each other. These intricate vocalizations serve multiple purposes, from coordinating group activities to expressing emotions. One of the most astonishing abilities of dolphins is echolocation. The sonar-like skill helps them to navigate through the vast ocean, locate prey, and identify objects with absolute precision. Similar to bats, dolphins emit a low and high-pitched sound frequencies. Next, the dolphins time how long it takes for those frequencies to bounce off objects and return back to them. Their echolocation is so accurate they can locate and detect an object's size, the direction it's traveling, its density, as well as position above or below the dolphin. This is very important as their vision is limited because it helps them locate food and, more importantly, stay safe in the water. Dolphins are very social creatures and often form tight-knit communities known as pods. The pods vary in size and composition, with some consisting of a few members, while others may include hundreds. Within these pods, relationships are built on trust and cooperation. The pods act as a support system, ensuring the survival and well-being of each member. But social connections don't stop with their own species. Dolphins are known for forming alliances with humans. Dolphins aren't naturally friendly to humans unless we introduce food into the equation, but dolphins can read emotions and recognize good. One of the most captivating aspects of dolphins is their playful nature. Dolphins are renowned for their acrobatic displays and joyful antics, captivating both scientists and observers alike. Let's showcase their incredible leaps, spins, and somersaults, demonstrating their ability, agility, and strength. From riding the bow waves of boats to performing synchronized jumps, we'll explore the various ways dolphins engage in play. Because dolphins are so profoundly curious, this drives them to seek activity and stimulation. For dolphins, play starts young. By playing dolphin, calves can learn how to interact with the members of their pod. In captive conditions, such as zoos, there are many opportunities to watch dolphins flip and play with objects. Dolphins also get along great with humans and like to play hide and seek. They seem to play in all environments to have fun or perhaps just to relax. Dolphins play an unusual game creating bubble rings that last for around a minute in the water. They do this by exhaling air near the water's surface. We have so much to learn on why dolphins play, but I like to think they just do it to have fun. Now let's look into what threatens these amazing creatures. While dolphins bring joy to many, they face various threats such as pollution, climate change, and human activity. It is crucial that we understand these challenges and work towards their conservation. Plastic pollution in particular has become a severe concern, affecting both their health and the ecosystems they inhabit. Dolphins can mistakenly ingest plastic items such as bags, fragments, packaging materials while hunting for food. This can lead to serious health issues, blockages in the digestive system, and malnutrition. Dolphins may become entangled in discarded fishing gear, plastic nets, or other debris. This can restrict their movement, cause them injuries, and potentially lead to drowning. Plastic pollution alters the environment by accumulating in or around habitats where the dolphins live. This can disrupt ecosystems, affecting the availability of prey, and altering the overall health of the marine environment. The presence of plastic pollution can alter dolphins' natural behaviors as well. They may avoid areas with high plastic concentrations, impacting the migration patterns and overall movement. It is crucial that we reduce plastic use to help our entire ecosystem. Another threat to dolphins is climate change. Climate change has several interconnected impacts on dolphins and marine habitats. Dolphins are sensitive to changes in water temperature. Climate change can alter the ocean's temperature, impacting the distribution and abundance of prey species that dolphins rely on. This may lead to shifts in migration patterns and changes in the availability of food. Another consequence of climate change is the rising sea levels. This can affect the coastal habitats that dolphins use for breeding and feeding. Changing the structure of these areas can disrupt traditional behaviors and impact the dolphin population. Another change is increased carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere that not only contribute to global warming but also lead to ocean acidification. Acidification can negatively affect the prey species that dolphins love, such as fish and cephalopods, potentially reducing the abundance and quality of their food source. The changes in the ocean temperatures and currents can impact the distribution and abundance of fish and other prey species. This can force the dolphins to travel longer distances to search for food, expending more energy and potentially affecting their reproductive success. Climate change is linked to an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and cyclones. These events can disrupt dolphin habitats, cause habitat loss, and lead to the increased stress and mortality among dolphin populations. Climate change contributes to the loss of biodiversity, affecting the entire marine ecosystem. As the abundance and diversity of prey species decline, dolphins may face challenges in finding suitable food sources, leading to nutritional stress. Being that climate change can exacerbate pollution issues, increased temperatures may intensify the effects of pollutants in the ocean, affecting the health of dolphins through exposure to contaminants. Addressing climate change is crucial for conservation of marine ecosystems as well as the well-being of dolphins. Efforts to reduce greenhouse emissions, protect marine habitats, and promote sustainable practices can contribute to the mitigation the impacts of climate change on dolphins and their environment. Lastly, let's look into another threat that dolphins face, which is habitat degradation. Habitat degradation has a profound effect on dolphins, disrupting their natural environment and posing various threats to their well-being. Here are some ways in which habitat degradation impacts dolphins. With the loss of critical habitats, coastal development, pollution, and other human activities can lead to the destruction of more important coastal habitats, such as mangroves and seagrass beds. These areas serve as crucial nurseries for fish and a primary source for the dolphin species. Another effect of human degradation can be the water quality. Runoff from agriculture, urban areas, and industrial sites can introduce pollutants into coastal waters. Poor water quality can harm both the prey species and the dolphins directly, leading to diseases, reproductive issues, and compromised immune systems. Another effect from humans can be noise pollution. Human activities including shipping, construction, offshore drilling contribute to the underwater noise pollution. Dolphins rely heavily on echolocation for communication and hunting, and excessive noise can interfere with their ability to navigate, locate prey, and communicate effectively. As habitats degrade, dolphins may be forced into closer proximity to human activities, increasing the likelihood of negative interactions. This can include collisions with boats, disturbances with tourism, and other stressors that impact the behavior and well-being of dolphins. Conservation efforts that are focused on habitat protection, restoration, and sustainable management are crucial for the mitigation and impacts of the habitat degradation on dolphins. These measures help to ensure the preservation of essential ecosystems and support the long-term health and survival of dolphin populations. Now that we've explored the challenges dolphins face, let's shift our focus to the positive side of the story: the incredible conservation efforts in place to protect these marine beings. The first conservation project I'd like to go over is the Dolphin Communication Project, or the DCP. The Dolphin Communication Project is involved in research and conservation efforts, particularly focusing on the habitats of the Atlantic spotted dolphins in the Bahamas. The project aims to understand and protect these dolphins through scientific research and community education. The second conservation society I'd like to go over is the Marine Bio. Their organization works with various marine conservation projects and involves efforts to protect dolphin habitats. Through research, education, and community engagement, they aim to address threats to marine ecosystems and promote sustainable practices. The third I'd like to go over is the Sea-Watch Foundation. They're operating in the United Kingdom. They conduct research and conservation projects to protect the habitats of the cetaceans, including dolphins, in British waters. Their work involves monitoring populations, raising awareness, and promoting responsible whale and dolphin watching. These are just some of the projects that demonstrate the diverse approaches taken by these organizations worldwide to protect dolphin habitats. Whether through scientific research, community involvement, or habitat restoration, these initiatives play a crucial role in preserving the environments that dolphins depend on for their survival. Now that we know how we can do our part to save these wonderful creatures, let's take a dive into the segment dedicated to unraveling some intriguing facts about dolphins and dispelling common myths that surround these marine wonders. Did you know that dolphins have names for each other? Research from a team at the University of St. Andrews in Scotland found that when dolphins hear their own call played back to them, they respond. The researchers believe that this is the first time this has been seen in an animal. Now let's debunk a misconception about dolphins, such as the idea that dolphins are fish, and in reality, of course, dolphins are mammals, sharing a common ancestry with land animals like cows and elephants. Another interesting fact about dolphins is their sleep habits, and get ready to be surprised. Dolphins engage in a unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, allowing the hemisphere of their brain to rest while the other remains alert. This is truly a remarkable adaptation to the marine lifestyle. Now onto a myth. Dolphins are not always smiling. Their appearance of a permanent smile is due to the curvature of their mouths, not necessarily an indicator of their emotional state. It's essential to recognize dolphins express a range of emotions beyond a perpetual grin. And there you have it, a captivating journey through the world of dolphins. We've explored their intelligence, social dynamics, and the challenges they face in our ever-changing oceans. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the importance of preserving these marine marvels. Dolphins remind us of the wonders that exist beneath the waves, but they also highlight the responsibility we share in protecting their habitats and ensuring their continued existence. From plastic pollution to climate change, the threats are real, but so are the opportunities for positive change. By supporting local conservation efforts, engaging in responsible ecotourism, and fostering awareness, each one of us becomes a guardian of the seas and the incredible creatures that call it home. Together, we can make a difference. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of dolphins, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more wildlife adventures. And of course, if you have any more questions or topics you'd like for us to explore, leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep discovering the wonders of our planet. This has been Wild Wisdom TV, signing off. Deep dive and see you on the next adventure.